Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over selecting a mini fridge for the upcoming holiday season. With the increase of guests, you might need to store some extra beverages, and I'm here to pretty much help you, or guide you in picking the right one. So as you can see, we have a couple different styles here. We have mini fridges that look like this. You have a little freezer compartment and a little smaller of a beverage compartment. These are nice for more than just the holiday season. More meant for dorms and stuff like that. Then we can go over here. We got more like wine coolers, beer coolers, stuff like that, which is going to help regulate the temperatures for your beverages. And then we have various sized mini fridges, if I can open it, that also have good amount of room for beer cans, glasses, wine if you wanted to chill it, and obviously you can move those racks to pretty much accommodate whatever size beverage you're trying to cool. And also there's obviously different sizes to that. So if you're trying to keep your beverages cool, you don't want to spend $500 to $800 on a top mount fridge for your garage. These might be a really good way to go, just for those reasons I explained. Plus you can also use it year round. Keep other additional beverages in there, not just for holiday parties or just additional guests. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.